What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the high RAM on your Windows 11 PC. So first, you just need to head over to the search bar and then you just need to type startup apps and you need to click on this and then you just need to turn off all the apps that you don't want to start directly when you turn on the computer. Let's say I don't want this application. When I turn on my computer, this application will automatically open. So I don't want this. I'll just simply click on it once and then I'll turn this toggle off. And after that, you just need to search again for the task manager. And after opening the task manager here, you will see all the apps that are currently running. So let's say I want to close this application here, which is running in the background. I'll just right click on it and then click on end task so that this will end the task and this will close the background process. And this is how you can speed up your RAM and storage on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.